Hey, do you want a strong company culture? Well, here's how you do it. First one, define your core values. Clearly state your company's core values because these will guide every single decision that you guys make. Second one, awesome onboarding. You absolutely need to give new hires a great start with a fun and informative onboarding experience. Number three is empower employees. Give your team autonomy. Trust them to make decisions and own their work. Number four is transparent leadership. Share goals, successes, and challenges openly. Build trust through transparency. Five, recognition programs. Celebrate achievements regularly. Keep the motivation high with regular recognition. Number six, professional development. Offer them lots of opportunities to grow. Invest in workshops and courses and mentorship programs. Number seven, community involvement. Engage in community service together. Build camaraderie and a sense of purpose. Eight, positive environment. Create a welcoming and productive workspace, even if it's virtual. Number nine, feedback loops. Regularly gather and act on employee feedback. Show how their voices matter. Number 10, health and wellness. Promote health with fitness challenges, mental health days, wellness workshops, therapy. Implement these tips and you will build a vibrant and supportive company culture.